Hey everybody, what's up? And welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to show you a really sweet giant box. I'm just playing. This thing's got an awesome pressure washer in it, so let's check it out. Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be looking at the Grandfalls pressure washer, but this is the Pro version? That's right, you know, previously we reviewed their basic standard version, and the Pro version has a couple of awesome, amazing features that the original just doesn't have, including a higher PSI. That's right, so in this video we're going to unbox this product, we're going to show you the power of that pressure washer, blast off some concrete, and just talk about what makes it so darn special. So let's hop into this unboxing. Hey Brad!
Okay, so we have another pressure washer from Giraffe Tools, and this time we have the Pro model. So yeah, gonna be cool. Let's see what we get right out of the box. We got our knife. Let's cut this packaging up. Be careful right there because we do have a hose and I don't want to cut it. And right on top we have some paperwork, some attachments, screws for mounting to the wall, some ends to our pressure washer, a leveler, hose fittings. Right here is our soap bottle, and here is the end of our pressure washer and a little handy tool. Foam up, and then we have the hose itself on the reel on the inside. Here is the handle for the pressure washer. So let's get this bad boy out. Get the plastic off. Oh yeah. We also have another hose left in the box. So it is on the reel. We have a mounting bracket just like the last one. We have the plug here with the reset and safety protection that built into it. We have the power switch right there. Looks really nice, different from the first one. Right here is where we put our water hose into it. So let's go get it plugged up and wash a couple of cars.
This is the Grandfalls Pressure Washer Pro. That's right, and what makes this thing special is it comes with a lot of different features that the original just doesn't have, as well as a higher PSI and a longer service life. So the Grandfalls Pressure Washer Pro comes with a smart lock, it can be mounted, it has a retractable hose on it, and a 100-foot hose. What makes this thing special is it includes a metal gun. So the original Grandfalls Pressure Washer doesn't have a metal gun, it doesn't have a metal foam can, it doesn't have a hardened water inlet hose, it doesn't have a replaceable high pressure hose, it doesn't have an ultra soft high pressure hose, it doesn't have an induction motor. That's right, the Grandfalls Pressure Washer Pro comes with all that. It has the metal gun, it has the metal foam can, it has everything I mentioned that the original just doesn't have. The current price on this is around $5.99, but with Black Friday coming up, you can snag this thing for a sweet discount. One of the similar features between the original pressure washer and the Pressure Washer Pro is the fact that they both come with an 1800 watt motor. But with that said, the service life on the Pro is 200 to 300 hours versus the original, which is 100 hours. And did I mention the PSI is a lot better? The original has around 2200 PSI, with the new Grandfalls Pressure Washer Pro having 2500 PSI. That's right, you can use this thing to pretty much pressure wash anything, including dirty concrete. So you can take your driveway and make it look brand new. but of course you can still use it to wash your vehicles and things like that without damaging it. That's right, Grandfalls has thought about everything. The Grandfalls Pressure Washer Pro is awesome. This thing is definitely an upgraded version of the original, as well as several of the other ones they have. I know they have the Plus and the Plus Plus, but this is the top of the line. So if you need something for every occasion that you have, then you probably want the Grandfalls Pressure Washer Pro. We want to give a huge shout out to Grandfalls for sponsoring this video and working with us for this episode. We hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and everybody watching, let us know, do you have a pressure washing fetish? That's right. Do you like to get on TikTok or YouTube or Instagram and watch people pressure wash things? Well, it's pretty satisfying, so we understand. But let us know in the comments if that's your thing, and if you want to see more of these kinds of videos, or just watch us pressure wash some stuff, right? Because we'll probably do it. It's fun. But guys, I've been your host, Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. And don't forget, if there's a bell, click it for notifications and follow where you can follow. And I'll see you guys in the next review. Later.